Hey, 40 billionaires. If you're a marketing manager, entrepreneur, or small business owner, how do you reach potential customers during times like these? Abnormally difficult times. And are you willing to pay so that your posts reach more eyes? Perhaps you should be. One of the newest social media marketing features, called promoted posts, allows businesses to pay for promotion so that more visitors and contacts see their post on computers and mobile devices. Using a regular social media post can be effective for ramping up engagement. But with promoted posts, social media sites are taking the idea one step further. The problem is that many regular posts go unseen, and only a small percentage of a user's contacts actually sees a given post, though it varies depending on how engaged your contacts are. You can look at the bottom of any recent post on your profile page to see the number of views, and if your numbers are consistently low, then promoted posts can help. On 40billion.com, for example, promoted posts garner 18 times more views and more engaged users. So here are 3 tips to test drive the new feature and make sure your investment is well spent. Tip number 1. Don't confuse promoted posts with a sales pitch. It's not. Just because you paid for it, don't expect visitors to be any more receptive to hard sales tactics. Users visit social media sites to learn and share information. They may connect with you and share an interest with business, or entrepreneurship topics, but they don't necessarily want a product pitch. So think about ways to genuinely engage them, just as you do every time you write a regular post. Hey, what do they care about? Well, here are a few ideas. Promote discounts and deals or special exclusive offers. These drive traffic back to your store or site, leading to more sales. Also, collect leads with giveaways or contests. Send visitors to download something for free or enter a contest in exchange for their contact information. Tip number 2. Create your promoted post with a kid in mind. As you probably already know, many regular posts go unseen. Usually the problem isn't that no one paid to promote the post, it's that no one wants to engage with the content. So before you post, think about how a younger version of your target audience, such as a precocious 5th grader, think about how they would respond to the content in your post. And if a kid wouldn't be excited about your post, then grown-ups probably won't be excited about it either. No matter how good the offer or content is, it's up to you to make sure visitors are inspired to take action on it with clicks, reposts, retweets, and comments. So here are some suggestions. Use a clear, strong call to action. Click to repost if you agree. Share this deal with a friend. These simple phrases make all the difference in influencing visitors to act, as well as increasing the chances that their contacts will see your post as well. Include a photo or video in your post. A funny, helpful, informative video. Preferably both a photo and a video if you have one. For example, a video on YouTube, something you would share with your coworkers or friends. And don't forget to add the link. If you need direct visitors beyond social media to go to a special web page, YouTube video, crowdfunding campaign, webinar, class, blog post, survey, then include the link in your post with clear instructions. And tip number 3, compare promoted posts to each other. You can create multiple promoted posts with different text or links. Which ones work best? Maybe the one with the question, maybe a funny post, maybe a serious one, maybe the one with the shortened links or the complete links. And are your views increasing over time? Be prepared to try different combinations and vary your messages until you find the one that works best. Hey, thanks for watching. And be sure to click the subscribe button below. And then click the thumbs up icon to let us know that you like this video and that you want more videos just like it.